Hi, I'm Mark from Alert Labs. This video is going to show you how to install the Sentree air conditioner monitoring system. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to turn off the power. Remove the caps from the refrigerant service ports. Tightly screw the pressure sensors onto the service ports. Make sure the cable port on top of the sensors is pointed away from the AC unit and horizontal to prevent water from collecting inside the sensor. Put the caps back onto the service end of the pressure sensors. Spray with soapy water to make sure there are no refrigerant leaks. Remove the service panel and record the serial number of the air conditioner unit. You'll need that later when you register Sentree. Attach the quick disconnect terminals from the Sentree power supply to the L1 and L2 quarter-inch tabs on the line side of the AC unit's contactor. Use the wet alcohol wipe to clean the compartment surface and the dry wipe to dry it. Peel off the label on the adhesive pad on the power supply. Attach it to the surface you just cleaned. Clip the current sensor around the L1 or the L2 mains cables. Make sure the arrow on the inner sensor points toward the contactor. Check that the latch is closed properly. Find the electrical knockout or cable pass-through. Pass all three wires on the power cable through the hole into the electrical compartment. Plug in the current sensor connector and plug in the power supply connector. Attach the green ground wire to the protective earth ground in the electrical component. Secure the power cable with an included cable tie. Connect the red cable on the harness to the liquid line pressure sensor. Connect the blue cable to the vapor line pressure sensor. With foam tape, wrap the red liquid line temperature sensor to the liquid pipeline. Then use an included cable tie. Repeat these steps to secure the blue temperature sensor to the vapor pipeline. Attach the black ambient temperature sensor to a shaded location near the AC unit, out of direct sunlight. Attach the cable harness over mold to a secure location on the AC unit with a cable tie. Now plug the primary end into the Sentree main housing. Push in gently and twist. Mount the Sentree main housing to a secure and vertical surface with appropriate screws that you'll need to provide. Put the electrical service panel back onto the AC unit. Turn the power back on. Sentree will blink white, red, and then green. This means it's now connected to the cellular network. Now that Sentree's installed, you'll need to register it. Start by locating the serial number here. Go to alertlabs.com and click on Sign In. Be sure to have the serial number for both Sentree and the air conditioner unit to complete the registration. If you need any assistance during the registration process, click here to contact our customer support team. Thank you for choosing Alert Labs. To learn more about our other solutions, visit alertlabs.com.